Hello guys, I will go over the slope-intercept form of linear equations, which is y equals mx plus b. Our learning target for today is use the slope-intercept form to identify the slope and y-intercept of a line, and then second one, graph a line whose equation is in the slope-intercept form. Right, let's get started. Example 1, let's say example and color. Let's say we have y equals 3x plus 2, and right now a question is asking identify slope and y-intercept. Okay, this question right now, as you can remember, we have our slope-intercept formula y equals mx plus b. Since this question is given in y equals mx plus b form, right now the coefficient of x is matching with m, which is in our question it's 3, and the constant here is going to be b, and in the question it's 2. That means m equals 3 and b equals 2. Right now, since we identified slope, right now we will be able to analyze the equation or the graph, right? And open another page. Okay, let's say another example. Example 2. Example 2. Right. And this time, question is asking us to the same way, y equals 2x plus 5. Identify, again, question is going to ask, identify m and b, then graph. And as you can remember, guys, we learned this how to graph linear equations, but this is just a review lesson, and right now we can easily find m and b like we did in previous question. M will be equal to 2, right? Because coefficient of x in form of y equals mx plus b, coefficient of x is always going to be our slope if it's in slope-intercept form like this, and constant will be our y-intercept. Okay, so 5 will be our y-intercept, which is b b equals 5. Okay, based on this, I will try to graph this equation y equals 2x plus 5 on the coordinate plane. Let me try to put in I will try to put just on the line like this. Oh, too big. I'll just put like this, and I'll just put this. Okay, right now this is our y-intercept, and this is our x-intercept, and this is the origin here. And as you can remember, we are starting always with, actually, can move this down a unit, like this, and x. Second, because we're gonna need 5 units over there. That's why I moved it down. X is here, X up there, and let's delete this back here. And one time, and here you go. Okay. Right now, since y-intercept is 5, we always start with y-intercept 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. This is our y-intercept. Okay. Like this dot right here is y-intercept. I'm gonna use the grid on the screen. Slope is 2. I'm gonna move up 2 units, like 1, and then 2, then run 1. Okay, next dot will be here, and then another next dot will be here. And then if you go with the same pattern backward, it's gonna be here, 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 and so on, like that, right? Then, as you can remember, after we put y-intercept, and then by using our slope to find the next dot, we place this one and this one. Actually, if you just put 2 dots, it's enough to graph your linear equation. But I just put extra, right? I'm going to try to connect these dots. As you can see, right now, this is our y equals 2x plus 5 graph. Alright, right now, I will try to show you a question. You can write this down in a minute. And I will give you a question, practice question. Right now I solved 2 questions. Right now it's time to try on your own together. Y equals, let's say, 2x minus 7. The same question, find, identify, and then graph. Okay, first I will show you how to do on here on this website, desmos.com. It's an online platform. I highly recommend you guys to practice from here. And for example, you can just put y equals 2x plus 5, right? As you can see, you can analyze your graph from here, and then you can see how the graph works, right? Let's say y equals 2x minus 3. That would be, you see down here. Why? Because we have y-intercept is -3, which is -3. The slope is 2 up, 2 up, and then round 1, 2 up, and then round 1, right? And that's why I will ask you to practice on this platform later, but this is just extracurricular activity, is an activity you can take. But right now I will take your answers to this question as an explanation at the end from socreative.com. You can go to your socreative.com website by using my room name. You can enter the question there, and then your answer there, then it's gonna pop up on my screen. I will grade it through there, right? Right now, again, I will go over. Right now we learn how to identify slope and y-intercept of a linear equation, and then graph the linear equation with using slope and y-intercept. And then we practice on this question, 3x plus 5, another question here, and this is your question, and then I will just wait for your answers from socreative.com, right? And as an homework, I will try to give you Khan Academy website link to practice and take the quiz on Khan Academy to make it 100%. That's going to be your last homework for practice, alright? And Khan Academy link will be assigned to your account, and don't forget to check your notification. Okay, right now, since we have Khan Academy account and you're in my class, and I will share the link, you're gonna finish and make it 100% so that you can have your assignment completed. Otherwise it's going to be not completed. And don't forget to work on this, and I will get the explanation step by step, and how you graph first, how you find slope, what is the y-intercept, and how you graph from this information, how you graph the equation with the slope and y-intercept. Right? I need that explanation explained on Creative, right? Okay, creative.com. Just enter my room name and you will see the question in my room. Alright, this is the website, and DBNQTRQ, this is my room name, you will see there. Okay,